Okay, into the attic we go. Alright, so you probably see that those of you who've been watching the videos of the new Hackworth Vacuums construction, you probably have noticed that something is new. We raised the subfloor. So, and also a new thing, we started installing all the outlets, but we haven't gotten a breaker in yet because it wouldn't fit inside the breaker panel. So, and we have not even got everything wired up yet. But we will get back. But I will do a video I'll do a video when that is completed. We just got to this outlet right here. We still have to do more. We have one right here for the dishwasher. We are gonna put a door here eventually to get to the furnace right there. And one outlet here, and we raised the floor, as you can see. You probably haven't noticed, but now you have. And sorry I couldn't do a video on the 2x3s that were gonna hold this OSP right here. So, without further ado, let me show you the insulation. Let me show you what it's time for. I'm gonna take you downstairs and show you all the insulation that my dad and I got today. It is February 1st, 2022. February 2018 was 4 years ago. And also February 2020, 2 years ago. This time my dad and I were we're building this new Hackworth Vacuums at the old house we were at before this one. Alright, so now I'm going to show you, here's the insulation. It's R19 insulation. We got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 rolls of R19 insulation. We have an extra roll upstairs that we used, my dad and I used to frame, that we used at the last house the last time we were building Hackworth Vacuums, like the Hackworth Vacuum shop. We had to do this. For those of you who don't know, my dad and I did the same thing at the last house we built. But now we're doing this again 2 years later. That's because we moved to a new house in June of 21. It's the old rigid 6-gallon wet dry vac, WD 6000 2001. There's a lot of leaves. So hopefully this weekend we'll be able to install this, and I will show you once it's completed. And all right, well, that does it for this video. Just comment, subscribe for more.